Hi YouTubers, welcome to my video, and today I'm going to show you how to change the headlight, the full light for Chevrolet Orlando. Okay, if you have a look here, you can find it. This is light, the bulb which we are going to change. You can see from the front, this is it. And this is from the inside, so you can see it. So just need to twist it around and remove it. And we need just to remove it from here and install the LED one. You can see that this is the new one, and I'm gonna run a quick test on them. So you can see it works. The next step is just the case of returning it back to where it belongs, which you can see it is just inside there, and twist it again, and that's it. You can see. So now we're gonna change on the other side as well. It's just over here. And this is the light, which I'm going to twist it again into the other side and remove it. And now I'm gonna install the other one. You can see that's all, and install inside. That's it. When we run the test, you can see both headlights are working, and the other side as well. It's absolutely fine, and you can see from there. So hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and watch more video. Thank you. Bye bye.